Hey guys, today I have a good one for you. I have a few tools here, just a few. What do they all have in common? The belt clip. 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have it, and we all need it. You don't realize how valuable this piece is until you don't have it. Most of the time we put them all in a tool belt, which you buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. You don't always have it with you, and maybe sometimes you're not as professional as others are. What do you do in that case? Well, you go Dad's way, like I do, with a really nice belt that I throw tools on it as needed, and it holds really good. It's my main belt. Yes, it's leather, and for all of you there that have a leather belt and you will not let it go for $1 million, big up to you. I salute you, but you don't always have a belt either, and sometimes you want to tackle something quick with the tools. You still need to put multiple tools in your belt, or just put the drill in your belt while you fix the piece or whatever, and you're in your shorts. How do you put a belt in your shorts, but you don't have the tool belt either with you? Well, here comes the newest thing. One of these things right here. Most of you probably already know what this is. It's a seatbelt extension. Sometimes it's in airplanes, sometimes some people use them for cars, and this is that piece that, the stewardess or whatever you call those people that work in airplanes, they'll do that stuff, pam 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 pam, in case of emergency, pam pam, all that stuff. You put it here, release, and it's so quick. If you don't release, this thing is not going anywhere. This is the best thing you can buy for yourself for a quick tool belt. This thing, you will thank me later if you find one. Grab it, put it in your toolbox, or even in your car or wherever, and have one with you. This is one of the strongest things you can find. It's really slippery and thin enough for any kind of tool to actually go in it really, really quick and smooth, as you see right here. And it can hold you and the tools in case you need it. But I'm gonna demonstrate how this actually works. And right now I'm wearing nothing. Well, not nothing, but I'm wearing nothing but a t-shirt and shorts, intentionally to demonstrate this part with this tool belt, that we are making it into a tool belt so we can use it on a daily life. Okay, here's the scenario. Embarrassing but practical. Shorts, t-shirt. You don't have a tool belt with you. You have a t-shirt that's been burnt and all that, working on a shop, but you need to put one of these things on your belt somehow. And then that's how you take this one here. Depends on if you're a left hand or right hand. I'm a right-handed, so I have it easier to grab with my right hand. And you just put it around your belly or hips or whatever you want to call that. Clip it on. It's not gonna look good here, but it doesn't matter. You grab the tools that you want. Let's say this big boy right here, and you just throw it right there. Let's grab another tool, for example, on the other side, and let's see how that goes. Well, we need more tools probably, because we don't have enough yet. One more here, and let's grab another tool just for good luck, and we put it somewhere right here, as you see, and it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't fall, it doesn't slip, and it doesn't let the tools go or anything. And as you see, take the tool in, tool out. It's so easy. It's one of the best things you can actually buy for your tool shop. And you just throw it either in your car or your toolbox or whatever you need. And yes, it looks crazy here on camera, but tell me how crazy it looks if you actually get one of these, and you will thank me later. This is the belt you need. And if you want to be ambitious, you can use it for your pants too. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's the strongest probably belt you'll ever buy, because this one will not let go. It's meant to protect your life, and it works for tools. And yes, you can put on the back too, but just to be decent on YouTube, I'm not gonna turn my back on you guys, so you understand the rest of the drill. Take your tools out when you're done with them, just 1x1 or 2x4. You put them back on the bench, and when you're done with it, it's so easy. Boom, gone. And now you're ready to go home, take a shower, and have a good life. And this is all you need. One of those seatbelt extensions, and sometimes they call them airplane seatbelt extensions, cars, depends what people use them for. I use it for the tools, so you'll thank me later. And I don't really care if you like it or not, as long as it helps you. And with that said, I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe if you learn anything, or if you just got a kick out of this video, and we will see you later. Bye!